1 minute PD is an idea that I have been sitting on for almost 2 years. It is bite sized solutions to common problems that you may see in the classroom on a regular basis. And it's not just for math teachers. The math content is going to be for math teachers, but it could be classroom management issues. It could be technology integration, how to get your kids to perform on STAR, are 1 minute PD solutions that you can take and implement in your classroom as early as the next day. So, if this sounds like something that will work for you, go ahead and follow me if you're on Instagram, if you're on Facebook, and if you're on YouTube, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and like the video to be a part of my community. I'll see you soon in that hashtag 1 minute PD.